Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to learn about extraction of crude metal from concentrated ore. The extraction of crude metals from the concentrated ore is carried out in two steps, namely conversion of the concentrated ore into metal oxides, reduction of the metal oxides to elemental metals. By the way, the conversion of the concentrated ore happened in two ways. One is calcination, another one is roasting. This calcination and roasting is based on the types of ore. We have to choose any one process to convert the concentrated ore into metal oxides. Let's see about calcination. Calcination is the process in which the concentrated ore is strongly heated below its melting point in the absence of air or with a limited supply of air. This process is suitable for carbonate and hydrated oxide ores. During this process, the water of crystallization present in the hydrated oxide escapes as moisture. Volatile impurities will be removed. For example, Egeton CO3 is a carbonate ore. While heating, it's converted into Egeton-O metal oxide plus carbon dioxide. Next method of converting the ore into metal oxide is roasting. In roasting, concentrated ore is strongly heated below its melting point in a regular supply of excess air. This process is suitable for sulfide ores. During this process, non-volatile impurities such as arsenic, sulfur, phosphorus will be removed by converting them into their volatile oxides. Next, we are going to see about reduction of metal oxide by smelting process. In smelting, the concentrated ore is added with flux and reducing agent. After mixing, this mixture is melted at elevated temperature. Elevated temperature means heat the mixture to above the melting point of the metal. For example, let's see the smelting of iron ore. The concentrated iron ore is mixed with CaCO3, which is act as a flux, and coke, which is act as reducing agent. Let's see the equation for smelting of iron ore. In smelting of iron ore, we use calcium carbonate CaCO3 as flux. While heating, this CaCO3 is going to split as CaO and CO2 like calcination process. Calcination process is applicable for carbonate ore. Carbonate formula CO3. So carbonate ore is divided as CaO and CO2. This CaO from calcium carbonate only act as a flux. Role of flux is remove the impurity from the ore. Impurity means is gangue. SiO2 is an impurity present in iron ore. CaO is react with SiO2, it's give CaSiO3. Just these two reactant are going to mingle together without release anything. Next is the action of reducing agent. For smelting of iron ore, we used coke as a reducing agent. During the reaction, this coke is converted as carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a good reducing agent. This carbon monoxide is going to react with iron ore. After removing the impurity from the iron ore, we are going to add the reducing agent. After adding reducing agent, Fe2O3 is going to reduce as Fe. So here how much Fe's are there? 2. So here in front of Fe we are going to give 2. Next we are going to balance the oxygen. Oxygen in right hand side 2 but left hand side 3 plus 1 4. To equal the oxygen in both sides, we are going to add 3. We are going to put 3 in front of CO and in front of CO2. Now you calculate these equations are balanced. 2Fe, here also 2Fe. Oxygen 3 plus 3, 6. Here also 3 into 2, 6. Carbon here 3, here also 3. Now equation is balanced. If they ask you to write the smelting of iron ore, you have to write these 4 equations. Now we will see what is the definition of flex gang slag. Flex. Flex is a substance which is used to convert infusible impurities to soluble impurities. Gang. Gang is an impurity present in the ore. Slag. The mixture of flex and the gang is called slag. If they ask you to define or what is slag, you have to write this line as well as this second equation for example. Let's see the extraction of copper from copper pyrites. What is the molecular formula for copper? Cu. Copper pyrites CuFeS2. In the extraction of copper from copper pyrites, first we are going to heat the copper pyrites. Heating air is O2. So CuFeS2 plus O2 under heating, it's give Cu2S, FeS and SO2 gas. This is evaporate. So in the mixture we have only Cu2S and FeS. Let's see this equation is balanced or not. No. So now we are going to balance this equation. In right hand side you see that copper present 2 amount, but in left hand side 1 amount. So we are going to give 2 in front of copper. By equal the copper in both sides, other elements values are changed, so we have to concentrate on other element. Next element who is there? Fe present in right side where? In FeS. So Fe how much is present in left side? 2. So in right hand side also we are going to give 2. Next element who is this? S. S present in left hand side 2 into 2 4. In right hand side 1 1 plus 2 3 3 plus 1 4. So by balancing the iron atom, S automatically balanced. Next who is this? Oxygen. Oxygen in left hand side 2, right hand side also 2. Now this equation is balanced equation. Next this reaction in copper from copper pyrites, we are going to extract the copper only. So this FeS is unnecessary. We are going to remove this FeS. To remove the FeS, we are going to burn this FeS with oxygen. It's convert as FeO and SO2 like roasting reaction. Roasting reaction is applicable for which ore? Sulfide ore. So here who is present? Sulfide ore is present. So FeS plus O2 give FeO and SO2. Here you see this equation is balanced equation or not? No. So now we are going to balance this. Here oxygen how much? 2. Here 3. To change this, we are going to put 3 in front of oxygen. So now oxygen change in left hand side as 6. Here only 2. So we 2 here 2. So we have to change this oxygen. To change this, here I am going to give 2. If I give 2 here, 2 O plus here also 2, 4 only, but 6 we need. So in front of S also I am going to give 2. Now who is going to change? Iron and S is going to change. Iron how much is present in right hand side? 2. In left S how much is present? 2. So F and S where is present in left hand side? In FeS. So in front of FeS I am going to give 2. Now this equation also balanced. We have to remove this SO2 already removed as a vapor. Remaining who is present? FeO. This FeO is a gang present in copper pyrites. So this gang is added with suitable flux. Flux is SiO2. So this 2 also going to mix and give a slag FeSiO3. Next who is remaining? Cu2S is remaining. From this we are going to separate Cu. This Cu2S is going to react with oxygen. Here also S is a Cu2S is a sulfide ore. Sulfide ore means when it's heat in oxygen it's give SO2 as a vapor. So Cu2O and SO2. Here to equal the number of oxygen we have to add some numbers in front of the compounds. So in front of this oxygen I am going to add 3. So oxygen turn as a 6. Here oxygen is 1 2 plus 1 3. So in front of SO2 I am going to give 2 and Cu2O 4 5. Here also 2. What will happen? Now copper is turned as a 4. So here 4. Sorry 2. Already 2 is there. So 2. Now copper 4. Here also 4. Sulfur here 2. Here also 2. Oxygen here 6. Here 2 plus 4 6. So now this equation is balanced. From this Cu2O we are going to take Cu alone. To take Cu we are going to add again Cu2S. Now how much Cu's are present? 2 into 2 4. Here 2. So 4 plus 2 6. So 6 Cu. Then S only one S, that S is present. Then O 2 O, so SO2. This SO2 is evaporate as gas. Now we get copper. This is a extraction of copper from copper pyrites.